Imagine a battery so small it fits on your fingertip, but powerful enough to run for 100 years without ever needing a charge. No cables, no sunlight, no wires. China just made it real. This isn't science fiction. This is nuclear power reinvented. In 2024, Chinese scientists announced something incredible: a nuclear battery smaller than a coin built to last up to 100 years. Developed by the Chinese startup Betavolt, this tiny powerhouse could change the way we think about energy forever. It's called a diamond nuclear battery. It uses radioactive material and turns it into electricity slowly, safely, and silently. Here's the science, simplified. This battery uses a material called nickel-63, a radioactive isotope. As it decays, it releases energy. That energy is captured using ultra-thin layers of synthetic diamond, the hardest material on Earth. The diamond collects the radiation, converts it to electricity, and protects the outside from any harm. And don't worry, it's not dangerous. These batteries give off no heat, no radiation leaks, and are completely sealed. Stops traditional lithium batteries last a few years, solar panels stop at night, even Tesla batteries need charging. But this powers non-stop for decades. The first version makes 100 microwatts of power. That's tiny but perfect for sensors, medical devices, space tech, and defense tools. The next version, they're aiming for 1 watt. That's enough to power a phone, a drone, or even a smart home device forever. Think about where power is hard to find: deep oceans, space missions, war zones, medical implants. These batteries could be a game changer. In space, solar power fails in dark areas. In the ocean, no sunlight reaches sensors, but these nuclear batteries work 24/7 no matter where they are. This innovation puts China ahead in a new tech race, the race for limitless energy. While the US, Japan, and Russia have worked on similar tech, China is the first to announce a working prototype this small and stable. It's not just a battery. It's about global leadership in energy space and AI. Of course, there are questions. Can it be mass-produced? Will it be affordable? And how will governments control nuclear materials in everyday products? Betavolt says the radiation level is safe, and once the battery dies, it becomes non-toxic. But laws and ethics will play a big role before this becomes common. Imagine a future where devices run forever. No charging, no cables, no waste. This tiny battery powered by science might light up the next century. Will we all have nuclear batteries in our phones one day? Or is this too good to be true? What do you think? Comment below and share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Globe Pulse Facts for more future-shaping stories.